Alright. Hello. So yes, here's some things that I'm looking at right now. I just explained everything, and then I looked down here and then the red dot was gone and I was like, wait, where did the video go? But here we are. My bias is bullish today, but as you can tell, the start of the market is very bearish. So starting from looking at what happened overnight and yesterday, we had some huge runs up, some retracements, then some more huge runs up. And then Asian session starts here with this volume imbalance. We come up a little bit in Asian session, come down, fill the volume imbalance, and take out some of these lows during London pre-market. Then London session comes up, takes out this high here, and displaces above it a good like 50 points, which is pretty strong for bullishness. And then for the rest of the day, we kind of consolidate and create some of these lows here. And then what I think about this is that you see we had these lows and we take out the lows, liquidity sweep. But the only thing I'm worried about for my bullish bias is that we inversed an hourly fair value gap, which is strongly bearish, right? If we're strongly bearish, right, and we created this liquidity here, right, it wasn't really a sweep, but more just like a clean, just take it and then run down. So we could have like this liquidity sweep, run down, take out lows here, here, but we haven't created any 5-minute fair value gaps at all. What about 15-minute? 15-minute we're close, even though this is a 9:30 candle. These two candles are from 9:45 to 10, and I would say you could use these. But one thing that's cool is that this 79% extension on the whole range of this upwards move is getting respected pretty hard here. Like, what, in the last 10 minutes, it's only wicked under it just a bit. We have this small imbalance here. If we can break structure, like here within the 5-minute, so like this high here, I'd be comfortable to go bullish, low key, and take a buy. Maybe put it at these highs, but we'd want to go take maybe those highs here or those highs here, like this one. And this one I think already got taken out. Yeah. Even if it's a little higher. Yeah. So yesterday I had a horrible trading day. I just gotta learn my lesson, man. I'll just show you guys my stats. So I'm on TOPSTEP. This is my Express account, you know. And yesterday I took 23 trades, which is horrible. You know, like overall I'm doing okay, you know, but like I'm taking, like, that's so many trades and it's messing up my stats. Like what I'm doing is, like, you see this win rate? Like, how can you have a 36% win rate, 9 losing trades, and only 17 winning trades? Like I'm losing so many times. At least my percent of profit's good. I'm not just trying to go all the way, but I'll show you what I do. or what I did yesterday, which was really bad. I literally just like see the chart moving down, or yeah, I'd see the chart moving down, and I just short, and then I'd instantly just close this, right? And I'd leave like a couple dollars, and it would always hit it, right? Even like, I would just put my stop losses so stupidly. Like, if we had this fair value gap here, like I'm putting my stop loss in the middle of the fair value gap because I'm afraid that that it's gonna go up to here and take this. So I'm scared, I'm impatient, I'm not waiting for a right setup. And that's what's causing these stats to be a little far-fetched. So and you can see my average trade duration is only 3 minutes, and that's because it's always coming. I'm always getting like out quickly, but it's not because it's because where I put my stop loss or where I put my take profit. I think I need to maximize my profits and then minimize. No, that's what I'm trying to do. Like I'm trying to, I don't know. I'm still a beginner trader, but I'm really happy. I passed my first account. A lot of people do pass. It's just hard to, and I could take a payout soon. Like I have 5 days over $120. So I could take some money out. Like, and they're worried about like when TOPSTEP like reviews it, they're worried about your risk management, right? And so like you can see like where all these losses come from. Like, so yeah, I had a big loss here, but like look, I'm losing like $100, $0, $100, $50, but I'm winning 500. This is when I put my stop loss up. I'm winning 400, put my stop loss up, losing 200, losing 10, winning 200, losing 95, losing 270, losing 440, but winning 19, winning 400, losing. So like you see, like here we're looking good, you know, we're winning 400, winning 400, losing 200, but like these are the stupid trades that I shouldn't be taking. Like these I could take, this I should take. Like even if it's a losing trade, but it did take 2 minutes to get. But like this is a good trade right here. 30-minute duration, $400. But look at this. Oh wait, this was just a misclick. I remember that. This I lost 702 minutes, but 13 minutes is 1900. So like the longer the trade takes, it looks like I'm doing better. So I need to take longer trades instead of just losing $100 in 3 seconds. Losing 200 in 2 minutes, losing 270 in 20 seconds, losing 500 in 30 seconds. See, that's just gambling. I'm just gambling there. But TOPSTEP looks at the risk management, and it looks like we might break structure. I want to break structure here and then retrace down. That's a good goal. Even just to break a structure and then a 1-minute retracement would be enough for me. But we'll see. Maybe we just, if we look at the 1 minute, let's see what's going on here. It looks like we're kind of just retracing back up into this fair value gap here, but inversing this fair value gap and breaking structure here, creating a new fair value gap would be ideal for a bullish take to take profits. Most likely these equal highs, and then these are really close as well. So I might just pick, like, I want to pick the easiest trade. The easiest trade would obviously be to the equilibrium of the downwards move here, right? So like this is the 50% mark, this high gets taken out here, maybe we go to this fair value gap up here or something. I don't know yet. I want to see how price is moving. It looks like we're just retracing it and coming back down. Look at all these stabs. It's stabbing at this 70% extension. That's very interesting. And we can wick below it, 100%. But if we start displacing below it, most likely we're going to take out these lows as well. And we have been really bullish recently. Okay. I wonder what ES is looking like. We could do a little bit of ES analysis. So ES, we took all this liquidity just like in NASDAQ. We have this order block here that it looks like it's getting into. It's not really closing below it. But one thing I'm worried about is the YATS starting to move up. But it's not displacing it. You see, it's only wicking above. It's like just wick above, wick above, wick above. Looks like we're kind of consolidating. Okay, okay. So it looks like people who are bullish, like they would put their stop losses here. Because of the, like, oh, it's like resisting this level. And so that'd be a good opportunity for the market to take the liquidity. So my stop loss, if I have one, I should put it a little bit below those levels. Unless we create a fair value gap, then I can put it below the fair value gap. So it looks like we're just getting into this fair value gap here right now. If we inverse this one, then I'd be comfortable buying. Like we're retracing to discount imbalances. If we inverse this, I'd be very bullish. Respecting the 79% extension. Yeah, we inversed the 1 hour fair value gap, but that's also on a market opening candle, and plus we have this one here in this that's matching up with this order block here. That's matching up with a bigger sort of order block here. ES has a little volume imbalance here. ES has this. So we didn't create a fair value gap on opening. And it actually took some time before it started breaking down. Interesting. What? What? It's my cat. Okay. Small fair value gap there, inversed it, create a new fair value gap. This one here. What? What? Oh. Okay. Let's see if what we do here. Still waiting. We broke structure above this high here. Are we going to re-inverse this? Yeah, so it looks like we're inversing this fair value gap now. Maybe we'll take this out, these lows here, and then we'll probably hopefully expand up. What? What? Cat's meowing. You already ate. Oh, don't get caught up in the wires. This is my cat. Meow. Hopefully Daisy doesn't hit the buy button or the sell button. She's happy, she's looking out the window. Oh. What? What do you want? Maybe she just wants pets. Just gonna step on the keyboard here. Okay, looks like we're gonna inverse this one. What? You're done, Daisy. Just look out the window. Look at that. Wicks here, wicks here, wicks here, wicks here. Oh my god. You have to go, Daisy. Hold up. I make you a nice spot right here. Okay. Being very patient. It's kind of chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. Okay, we're respecting that fair value gap inversed, but we're not really displacing above it, so I want to see a strong displacement taking out this high. I'd be good to enter for a long. Like this here, if we can get a nice run up and take that high out. This is the one I'm looking at. Look at that. Yeah, we just really strong displays there. Let's see if we can get a little retracement or something. Back to the high we took. No bye. Put my low. Let's try to get a closure above here. La voz favorita, baby. Yeah, well, Mike Towers. Dímelo cero. Yes, Lelo, ya sí. Now I'm just looking at the reaction here on this retracement. It's pretty strong retracement here. We filled the whole gap if we close above here.
Sexo, yo soy tu fabulous. Que yo me sé tus poses favoritas. Que te hablo malo y que eso te excita. Que te hago todo lo que necesitas. Pa' hacerte venir. Que yo me sé tus poses favoritas. Que te hablo malo y que eso te excita. noche cuando él se va. Tú me llamas con la necesidad, porque te gusta como te doy. Tranquila, va que por ahí voy ya. Quiero hacerte cositas que nunca te han hecho. Esta noche conmigo tú tocas el techo. Cuando te pelean y estás en despecho, me llamas y yo adentro.
Let's see, can we close above here?
Si tú quieres que yo te ubique en mi cama, deja el drama, ven y mamá. Voy a darte duro hasta por la mañana. Y que comience la acción. Dame tu ubicación. Y tú sabes que yo le llego y cuando llego, este bicho causa emoción. Le bajo el pozo como Poseidón. Abro las piernas en el balcón. Hablarte claro, mato y le mete cabrón. Me gusta como con la boca me pone el condón. Y te quédame con mamá cuando no me ponen nada. Yo estudio, avanza y corre. Ven y súbete en la torre. Diles que yo me sé tus poses favoritas. Que te hablo malo y que eso te excita. Que te hago todo lo que necesitas para hacerte venir. Que yo me sé tu pose favorita. Que te hablo malo y que eso te excita. Que te hago todo lo que necesitas para hacerte venir. Coloco tu pose, hago susurrar toda tu pose por mi cuello. Se ilumina el camino cuando estrello tu cuerpo junto al mío, haciendo detener el tiempo. Este es el mejor momento. Pose abajo arriba, pose.
Let's see, we closed above it, retrace into the 5 minute, and I'll take the trade.
Que te voy a hacer lo que no te hace él y vos. Los cristales del carro se empañan. Tu carita de ángel me engaña. Yo soy sano pero tú me dañas y vos.
Oh yes, retraced.
Prende un grip y se puso Lucía. Metió un rollo mientras conducía. Se trepó y me seducía.
So that means on NQ I can take the trade.
Que yo me sé tu pose favorita. Que te hablo malo y que eso te excita.
I think we're gonna buy here.
Order filled.
Put it right here. Take profit up here.
Bad Bunny, heard this music. Hear this music. Mambo Kings. DJ Loyal. Ozone. Ñengo Flow. Arcángel. Elgénero.com.
Ey, el 16 de septiembre nos vemos en el Carbón Liceo.
Pensaba que te había olvidado.
Look at how strong it closed above this. Closed above the 5 minute. Once we get to like 400 here, if we do, then I'll set my stop higher. Just to deal with the NQ volatility.
Justo cuando creía que por comerme a 2 o 10 te olvidaría. Cogí un respiro y me salí de la vía. Y como un pendejo no sabía lo que hacía. Nunca lo superé, nunca te superé. Hasta me aprendí toda la balada en inglés. Respiré, conté hasta 3. Eres la fantasía oscura de Kanye West, bebé. Hey, hace tiempo lo barato me salió caro. Yo solo tuiteo a la loca disparo. Como olvidar la bella que era en el carro. El que guió solo pensaba que te había olvidado. Yeah, pero pusieron la canción. Yeah. cantamos bien borrachos, que bailamos bien borrachos, nos besamos bien borrachos los dos. Pensaba que te había olvidado, pero pusieron la canción. Que cantamos bien borrachos, que bailamos bien borrachos, nos besamos bien borrachos los dos. Ey, ey. Ya hace tiempo que no venía a mi cabeza, pero ya van por la cerveza y me acordé de cómo tú me besas, de todos los polvos encima de la mesa y en el carro, la playa, el motel, en casa de tu pai cuando yo te iba a ver, las veces que tu mai nos llegó a coger, tú brincando mojadita, sudando Chanel, yo sé que lo nuestro es cosa de ayer y me pone contento que te va bien con él, yo ni te extrañaba ni te quería ver, pero pusieron la canción que te gustaba poner y me acordé de ti cuando me hiciste feliz. Se acabó pues me fui, ey, yo mismo me río de mí porque pensaba que te había olvidado, pero pusieron la canción. Que cantamos bien borrachos, que bailamos bien borrachos, nos besamos bien borrachos los dos. Y yo pensaba que tu nombre estaba muerto, pero te soñé despierto. Hoy salí pa' la calle suelto, sin sentimiento, el corazón desierto. Y yo pensaba que tu nombre estaba muerto, pero te soñé despierto. Hoy salí pa' la calle suelto, sin sentimiento, el corazón desierto. Las horas que de veras te quedas con todo, me dieron ganas en todas. Entonces dime por qué amarras conmigo, ya veo que no te enamoras. Pues toma pa' que te enamores, more, more. Pues toma pa' que te enamores, more, more. Pues toma pa' que te enamores, more, more. Pa' que te enamores, more, more. Enseñando de mí, me fui tras de ti. Disimulas pero sé que andas en busca de mí. Aunque ya te veo con los ojos te deseo. Rápido accedí, te lo di. Si me pide wiki, 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 wiki. Si me pide zipi, 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 yo se lo doy. Es lo que le gusta, le doy más calor. Es locura, el p***eo, le metemos mejor. Hoy sí, tú saliste lista para mí. Solo tire una carnada. Tú eres una matata. Te lo miras encima.
This is actually my first time using a face cam as well. I was like, yeah, I should probably do face cam because recording videos, no face cam, is like less personal and shit. But I'm just, I'm literally looking at the screen like, what have I done?
Tienes algo que me mata, que me quema por dentro. A tu lado siento perder la noción del tiempo. Me gusta cómo caminas, la forma en que me miras. Pa' que te enamore inventaré un millón de rimas. Yo te veo sola, bailando mi canción al son de las olas. Concédame esta pieza, mi señora. Ven a tomar como usted la enamora. Te veo sola, bailando mi canción al son de las olas. Concédame esta pieza, mi señora. Ven a tomar como usted la enamora. Si no es para hoy, me llamas cuando quieras algo.
you gotta go piss. You guys can keep listening to music.
Pues toma pa' que te enamore, more, more. Oye, esta es la fórmula, ¿viste? La fórmula. Directamente desde la isla del entretenimiento. Sorry, boy. You already know. Yo la conocí en Miami, en Brickell. Ella sabe que aquí hay ticket. Quiere que yo se la aplique.
No!
Que pa' casa la
No!
voy a llevarte pa' PR, mami, pa' que
Order filled.
Let's see if we can get a better. Ooh, wow. Wow. I guess we're retracing into this for value. Yeah, we could buy again. Chingue, you want mine? You gotta let the finger. Suelto, mami, estoy suelto. Suelto, estoy suelto, mami, estoy suelto. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, we retraced into the 5 minute. There we go, we get here. Oh shit, I need to remove that. Let's see what happens. We're inversing. If we inverse that, I'll buy again. Sí, tú eras la mala, pero ahora resulta que el amigo soy yo. Soy yo.
Lo de nosotros quedó en el ayer. Que de puta papel me dice te amo.
Estoy diciendo mal.
Que descaro, me salió caro. Ey, en tu versión siempre seré malo. Mientes como yo también.
If we inverse that, I'll go there. Con el tiempo. I wasn't fast enough though, so if we come back into this for value gap, I'll buy again too. So there's two things. The reasoning is we is we retraced here, and if we inverse here, it's very bullish because it's a retracement and another reversal. But if we get into here, it's a really good trade entry. So I can use whatever I used already to go bullish and get a way better entry here. See that? ES is a SMT. See here high and a lower high here. And here it's a higher high here.
Order filled.
So we got a good trade entry here on the 5-minute. I guess our stop loss should be, I'd put it after this volume imbalance a little bit. And if we hit 400, I'll put my stop loss back here. ES is starting to take these lows here, so it took this low and almost took that low. Let's look at NASDAQ here. Same thing, we took this low, these lows here, and the fair value gap retracement. Come back to the equilibrium of the fair value gap. If we close below it, I'm not so hopeful. I might just get out of the trade and take my losses on the 5-minute though. So if the 5-minute closes below here, this equilibrium point, if it displaces below that, I'll just close the trade and take my loss. Or if we inverse this fair value gap on the 5-minute, I think that's better. If I inverse this fair value gap here, like I'm allowing it to wick right now. That's why my stop loss is. We can even put it a little lower here. But if we close below this, then this is pretty good. So ES already wicked into this 5-minute fair value gap before, right? And this one isn't, so it's already fulfilled. It's not wanting to come back down if it doesn't. If ES gets another retracement here, I want to see how far it goes. So it's just tapping into it. It's just wicking into it and coming back up right away. Wicking into it, coming back up right away. You can probably see this on the 1-minute. See how it's just wicking into it. And look at that. the bodies of the candles, like the wicks are hitting the 50% and the bodies aren't even closing below. And that 5-minute candle just closed right there. It looks like we did close below these lows here though, signaling a slight break of structure downwards. But look at those wicks. Those wicks are coming right to that equilibrium. This one wicked past it, but none of the candles are closing even past the equilibrium. They're kind of staying in the upper quadrant. So if we start closing below, like that's not good, but it's fulfilling the imbalance. We also have imbalances on the 1 minute too. So I guess a good place to stop would be at this wick here, but I'm giving it a little bit room for the volatility. Look, this wick just closed. See, that's not good. But it's not like a displacement to the 75%. It's like at the 60% mark. Okay. I like how the buyers are buying. The buyers are buying. Okay. Can we close above here? Inverse this maybe? I'd be happy. Happy camper. And I'll put my take profit a little bit lower than 79 at these two wicks highs, but I'm already thinking about winning when I should be worried about losing. But even if I lose then I think I would have learned that we did get some strong closures under here, but it was to fulfill the imbalance. So we immediately rebalanced this fair value gap. That was about to form, but it didn't form, so immediate rebalance. ES is coming back down. Also immediately rebalancing that. But it just looks like a perfect retracement here. Even ES retraced, and if we look at the fair value gap on ES, look at that. The bodies perfectly close right above the, perfectly close at the 50% mark. Wicks past it, takes out traders that put their stop losses here. 50%. This here. Didn't close below it, which is good. MQ's volatility caused it to close a little bit lower than that. But ES is a good indicator. Looks like we're wicking into this fair value gap. This new one on the 5-minute. We wicked past the 50%. So I guess it's going both ways. Let's look at the 1 minute, see what's happening. We come back into the fair value gap. Okay. ES didn't even get back into the fair value gap on the 5-minute. While NQ just did it again, it came back all the way into the 5-minute fair value gap. NQ didn't. NQ only came twice, 3 times into the fair value gap. This one was way before, which is what I based my entry on, but we came back down into it. I got stopped out here because I entered based here on this, but then I got a re-entry here. This is a little worrying. We break structure and we don't, I guess we take this high out here, but we don't close above this high, which is a little worrying. Let's see if ES closes above those. ES doesn't close above those, it just wicks above it. But it's pretty close. Let's see what NQ did. Also didn't close above those highs, creating lower highs. But I really like how ES respected that 50% mark on that fair value gap here. This is a strong reason why I'm staying in this trade right now and not moving my stop loss up. And the Nasdaq comes down into it, but that's okay because it has more volatility. Order block. If I had two contracts, I'd have one take profit here. My next one would be up to the 70% extension, but I only have one contract on this. Look at that closure above these. Are we going to get an immediate rebalance here? Inverse fair value gap. Do we create a new fair value gap? We didn't close above this one though, this fair value gap. Equal highs.
tienes piquete, mami, yo también. Tú estás buena, yo estoy bueno también. Huele rico y ando con los de 100. Si tú lo quieres, lo tienes que mover. Tú tienes piquete, mami, yo también. Tú estás buena, yo estoy bueno también. Huele rico y ando con los de 100. Si tú lo quieres, lo tienes que mover. Lo tienes que mover. Lo tienes que
See,
mover.
NQ didn't create equal highs. NQ came down more.
Lo tienes que mover.
That's interesting. So ES created equal highs here, but NQ didn't. NQ came lower. So you have like a SMT kind of here. Well, that's an SMT to the downside. But if we reverse it, NQ closed lower than ES. ES is to the up.
Yo sé que tu padre no te quiere conmigo. No sé si será por mi tatuaje o la forma en que yo vivo. Dile que tú me quieres. Que no le haga caso a lo que le digan. Nos vivimos enamorando día a día. Dile que yo soy el que te quiere.
I think it's more realistic to get into the bottom of this order block than all the way up.
Explícale lo que sucedió. Entre tú y yo la llama se encendió. No sé cómo pasó. Me quieres. Que no le haga caso a lo que le digan. Nos vivimos enamorando día a día. Vida mía, no quiero ocultar lo que no tenerte cerca. Hablo con tu madre, aunque sé que es difícil de convencer. Que no se deje llevar por la apariencia.
See, ES already came into the order block here. So maybe NQ won't reach it. Because ES already got into it. Oh, this one right here. Let's try to get a closure above those highs. That's strong. Can put it back. Maybe to the equilibrium of it. Yeah, ES break a structure to the upside, took out the equal highs and displaced above it, so we're good. I don't see it retracing back into the fair value gap before hitting at least the order block. Maybe if it hits the order block, then it might retrace back into it. I'd wait for a break of structure, close my trade if we get a break of structure. Let's see what happens. Imbalance. Yeah, ES is breaking structure upwards, NQ hasn't yet. Not yet. Yes gets into the order block, or NQ I mean. And put out the candle closures in the order block close to the equilibrium of it. Slight retracement here. I want this fair value gap to form here. I can move my stop below this low here. But we'll just keep it here for now. Yes created this fair value gap here. And is that one? Maybe. Yeah. There's one here, and a volume imbalance here. Rebalance the 5-minute, wicks above. Looks like we're retracing, rebalance now.
Santa, ni yo soy un santo, nos conocimos pecando, ahora me estás buscando, porque quieres más de mí, y yo te lo doy, te vienes y me voy, te lo dije que te era pa' jugar, que no te podía enamorar, que ahora me quieres cambiar.
No break of structure with this wick low, but we take the wick out. ES creates a fair value gap. Let's see if we can inverse it right away on the first candle. Closes at 50, but we open above here. If we can close above this high, I'll move my take profit to the equilibrium of the order block. But where do I have it now? At the closers of the 5 minutes? Yeah, these two closers. I will just leave it.
Order filled.
Nice. Hey, good trade today. To my 0 followers, I haven't got a follower yet, but hopefully, let me pause this. Let's go to the home screen here, the Inception home screen. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys watched it, it's a good trade today. You know, I was more patient today, and you know, obviously it's paying off, which is good. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, it's a good trade. Right before 12 o'clock lunch. I'm gonna go make some breakfast now. Rest of the plans for the day. I'm gonna go hit legs at the gym. Scroll some Facebook Marketplace. I wonder if my camera was staying here, because when I switched to here, oh, maybe it didn't. I wonder if my camera bro, imagine my camera wasn't in the background. I don't know, but yeah. Probably gonna go hit legs, and then scroll Marketplace for another motorcycle. I'm trying to get one for the spring. Yeah, and college starts in like 2 weeks, but I'm in mechanical engineering, so gotta get ready for that. It's my last semester ever in school, but yeah. Why is it glitching? I don't know. Thank you guys for watching. We made a good trade, and yeah, I'll trade tomorrow in the morning session as well. Post another video. I'm gonna post every time I trade now. Record it. Alright. Peace.